Hi, this is Rajesh. Today we are going to do problems in quadratic equations. Exercise 5.3 in that third problem. That is, find the roots of the following questions. In that, first problem is x minus 1 by x is equal to 3, where x is not equal to 0. Why they have given this condition x is not equal to 0? Suppose if you take x is equal to 0, 1 by x means 1 by 0. We can't define. So that only they gave condition x is not equal to 0. For this equation, we need to find roots of a quadratic equation. Up to now, we know that how to find roots of a quadratic equation. But it is not in the form of quadratic equation. So here, we need to make given equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Later, we can find by using the formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So first of all, we need to change this given equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is general form of the quadratic equation. For that only, x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. Take denominator for this one 1. Now when you take LCM for 1 and x, you will get LCM is x only. So by x. After that, each and everything should be multiplied by the LCM. So here we will get x square. X by 1 into LCM x. Then we will get x square. So right here x square minus 1 by x into, next term is 1 by x. We need to multiply with LCM. So we will get 1. So minus 1 is equal to 3. See here, x is dividing here. After is equal to, it will multiply with 3. So x square minus 1 is equal to 3x. We need to get this 3x before is equal to. At that time, x square minus 3x is equal to 0. Now interchange the terms of this equation. So we will get x square minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now compare with the general form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. At that time, a is nothing but 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 1. So we need to find roots of a quadratic equation. What is the formula to find roots of a quadratic equation? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of 4ac, b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now, so here first we need to find discriminant value. Why we need to find discriminant value? To simplify the problem. So that only first we need to find b square minus 4ac. Later we can substitute all the values in this formula. We can get the roots of a quadratic equation. So first of all, in order to simplify the problem, we need to find discriminant value, that is b square minus 4ac. So here b is minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is minus 1. So minus 3 whole square 9, minus into minus plus 4 into 1 4 only. Next 4 into 1 4 only. So here we got 13. 13 is greater than 0. Okay. Now we got the value of the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to 13, and also it is greater than 0. So here we need to substitute a, b, c values in this formula to get roots of x minus 1 by x is equal to 3. So that only here substitute all the values in this formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now x is equal to minus b. So here what is the value of b? Minus 3. So minus of minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac, we got the value, that is 13 divided by 2a. What is the value of a? A is 1. Now minus into minus plus 3 plus or minus square root of 13 divided by 2 into 1, 2. Now x is equal to 3 plus square root of 13 by 2, or x is equal to 3 minus root 13 by 2. See here, plus or minus is there in the formula. So one time we need to take plus, another time we need to take minus. Therefore, roots of quadratic equation given quadratic equation or given equation are 3 plus square root of 13 by 2 and 3 minus root 13 by 2. Roots of given quadratic equation are 3 plus root 13 by 2 and 3 minus root 13 by 2. Okay. Okay, coming to the second problem. In third question, 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30, where x is not equal to minus 4 and x is not equal to 7. If x is equal to minus 4 means it is not defined, x is equal to 7 means it is not defined. So that only they give x is not equal to minus 4 and 7. See here, first of all, take LCM for these two. So here we will get x plus 4 into x minus 7. After that, 1 by x plus 4 we need to multiply with x plus 4 into x minus 7. So we will get x minus 7. See, 1 by x plus 4 into x plus 4 into x minus 7. At the time these two terms gets cancelled. So we will get here x minus 7 minus, like that only, 1 by x minus 7 into x plus 4 into x minus 7. So x minus 7 gets cancelled. Now we will get x plus 4. Am I correct or not? Is equal to 11 by 30. We will get. Now here we will get x minus 7 minus x minus 4. Here x plus 4 is there, but before that we have minus symbol. So this will be x minus 7 minus x minus 4 divided by x plus 4 into x minus 7. Keep like that only, or else you can multiply, no problem at all. Later we will multiply. X plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. Now its value is minus x plus x gets cancelled. So minus 11 by x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. So here x plus 4 into x minus 7, it is dividing. After is equal to, it will multiply 11 by 30. So here we will get minus 11 is equal to 11 by 30 into x plus 4 into x minus 7. So minus 11 is equal to 11 by 30. Now take, here we need to multiply these two things. X into x minus 7 plus 4 into x minus 7. Now minus 11 is equal to 11 by 30 into x into x, x square minus 7x plus 4x minus plus into minus minus 4 7s are 28. Now here we will get, once again we will see x into x, x square plus into minus minus x into 7 7x plus 4 into x plus 4x plus into minus minus 4 sevens are 28. So here we'll get now minus 11 is equal to 11 by 30 into x square minus 7x plus 4x. Here we will get minus 3x minus 28 is the value. See here, multiply both sides with 30. At that time we will get multiply or else multiply both sides with 30. So here minus 11 into 30 we will get is equal to 11 by 30 into 30 x square minus 3x minus 28. X square minus 3x minus 28. Both sides I am multiplying with 30. So this value is minus 330 is equal to 30 gets cancelled. Now 11 into x square minus 3x minus 28 we got. Now multiply with 11. Minus 330 is equal to 11x square minus 33x minus 28 into 11. 28 into 11. So here its value is 801. 308. See here 8, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 8, 10, 0, 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Now 308 we will get minus 308. See this minus 330 after is equal to plus 330. Now we will get 11x square minus 33x minus 308 plus 330 is equal to 0. See here I am sending after is equal to, it will become plus now. So entire thing I am writing here is equal to 0 I kept. Now 11x square minus 33x plus 22 is equal to 0. Minus 308 plus 330. So we will get plus 22 is equal to 0. Now from these three terms we can take 11 is common. When we take 11 is common, 11 of x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So 11 is multiplying. After is equal to, it will become 0. So x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we need to find factors for this one. See here, by using factorization we can find roots for this one. So here what is the method we need to find roots of a quadratic equation? By using factorization method, we need to take first term and last term we need to multiply. When we take two terms, the product should be equal to 2x square. When we add two terms, the sum should be equal to minus 3x. So that only here, if I take 2x square, the product is 2x and x are the two terms. The product is 2x square, the sum is 3x. But here we need to get minus 3x. So give for both the terms minus symbol. Minus 2x into minus x plus 2x square. Minus 2x and minus x. When you add, you will get minus 3x. Am I correct or not? So that only here I am changing this one as x square minus 2x minus x, or else minus x minus 2x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now from these two things we can take x common, so x minus 1. From these two things we can take minus 2 is common, so x minus 1 is equal to 0 we will get. Now x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Am I correct or not? Now we will get x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2. Therefore roots of given equation are 1 and 2. Okay, See once.